My dear parents, I am Omana, your parenting coach. Are you a helicopter parent? Are you overprotecting your child? Some parents micromanage their children to make things easier to them. My dear parents, don't do that. Do you know the consequences of micromanaging or helicopter parenting? How it affects the children? While it may come from the place of love, it can stifle their independence. Give your child space to grow. Helicopter parenting can lead to increased anxiety and decreased confidence. Yes, my dear parents, please find balance, foster independence. Let your child spread their wings and fly.